The Rebbe explains the good man because a person has no emunah. If a person had emunah that Hashem is here, and we have nobody in the world, you should know, so no such a thing, a friend. I have to take all of you, tell it to you, and put it in your head here. No such a thing, the person should tell you he has a friend. A friend, you know when is a friend? When you are in trouble, when you are miserable, and then somebody wants to help you, this is your friend. That's no such a thing. But Tzaddik, he's all minds already by Hashem, and he's not living for himself, he only gave away himself to help people. This goes on Tzaddik. But then, and that's no such a thing as friend. Now, why is a person not speaking to Hashem, is not feeling that Hashem is here? He thinks Hashem hides himself in heaven. Therefore, we have Chassidus come to God and yeah, why are you yelling? Hashem is here. No, I have to make sure that my feet is going up now. Far in heaven. Why are you yelling? Hashem is here. Not there. Hashem is here. How could I say? Who's walking in me? Hashem. Who's moving himself? Hashem. Who looks at me? Hashem. It takes out his chayes, finished. Chazal says that there are three partners in a person. Father and mother, and Hashem. Father and mother creates the flesh and bones and the blood. And Hashem puts in the ruach chaim, the neshama. Hashem takes out the neshama, then he says, here, I took up my part, and for father and mother, here you have new part. Now take the body, bury him, bury him. So when a person should know that Hashem is here, don't push him up Hashem and have Hashem is here. Then I could speak to Hashem. More when a person speaks to Hashem, first of all, it cleans you up. Tefillah is like water, shifchi, kabayim, liber, neuchat, ne Hashem. The Novi Yirmiyahu says that tefillah is like water. Pour out your heart like water. Tefillah is like water. Washes water, washes your heart outside. You're dirty. You fell in a sewer. And for a sewer with all kind of dirty water and soil and everything. I got small stuff. Nobody could stand in me. It goes out to me a bad smell. But I'm going and taking a good shower with good soap and coming out. A different person. Feel that this is the water what washes up a person. When a person has emunah, faith in Hashem, that Hashem is here, and he speaks to Hashem and tells everything to Hashem. This is the biggest blessing what could be on the earth. And this is Mashiach will bring in for the world. Like the Noah says, Ever the whole mankind will speak to Hashem. Now the Rebbe, the rest of the Rebbe, said, brought it in now, gave it this matona. When we see it, that people need it, if you're young, you're busy, making money, you're running around, and the person's old. Let's say the person, God forbid, shouldn't know when Soros, he lost his wife, he lives, the children lives far away, he's himself in the house, he's going to sleep early, so he's up already by about 3, 4 o'clock in the morning. He's up already, he had a long day, a long night, he doesn't know what to do, he gets some sugar, he goes out to the park, he goes to the tailor sitting down there and speaks with them, the shoemaker, it's already visible. He was watching television already again and again. So I read the news and what's up? There's what Chazal says, Zikna Moretz, כל זמן שמסכימים, דעת המטפשים עליהם. Somebody is a Moretz, well, older you are, get stupid. Old side, my God, forbid, comes to such a thing that you're not using your brain. Opposite Zikna, תמיד החומר, כל זמן שמסכימים, דעת מטויספר עליהם. You get person, I'm not myself, I'm always Hashem, I live with Hashem, I'm going with Hashem, I always speak to Hashem. Such a person builds up his self-esteem, is ביטחון עצמי, self-confidence. Once you have self-confidence, nobody in the world will destroy you. Everybody speaks better than you. Everybody knocks you down. They're thinking you. Why? Because I have Hashem. What you see, you did it. Okay, bring children. The Rebbe says, even the person sees the worst thing in this life, always is children. What's the children? The Rebbe says, Shuva Yisrael Adonai Elokecha. How could it be the children? Chuyim chem dvurim, chuyim chem dvorim. Shuva Hashem, take words. Chazal says, Ein mevakesh mekem dvorim. Hashem wants only words. Now, if we will be strong and speaking to Hashem, it takes time to bring the goal. Don't forget, we're all in a pit. We're all in the mind is full of machshavos, the darkness, and we can see only dark. A person who speaks to Hashem again and again and again and again and again, eventually takes off all the clouds, the black clouds, the dark clouds, and you see for yourself a sun and a moon, stars, and then I see, wait a second, who created the sun, who created the stars, who created the moon? Hashem. You see for yourself Hashem, and then you're a happy person, you make happy, different person. Now this is only, you could speak a whole life, only give you an example. Yeah, say for shlo הקודש, שני לובס הבריס. Big tzaddik man. So he brings in that donor. I'm not mechadish, anything. I'm like a bee. What's a bee? What's a bee? It goes from one flower to another. I don't know if you know how the bees are making honey. They go from one flower to another, bring it to their nest. And then they take the sweetness from the old sun and they put it in the nest, and then this comes on. The opposite, they have a spider. Spider, you all know what the spider does? Web. And catches in flies. A fly has to only touch it with a little food. It's like a needle. It puts its foot in the spider web. It stops, it cannot go away. Once the Hikel said, every house, the spiders come. Before Shabbos, take it off because it's a clipper. It makes you only spider web. You should always think bad, always see bad in your life. Only the opposite. Only it takes the good things. And every flower it takes all from this little honey. So this is in our hand. This is the choice hour. Or you're going after the spider web. If you see, he's going to catch you. He's going to bring you miserable. But not good. You know? The spider put up his web. Now he catches you in, and then you stop, and the fly cannot fly away. And you get the stop till it dies. This is when a person only tries to break you. You're not good, you're not good. Oh, I'm not good. Well, I will imitate you. I'm not good, right? You're happy? But then I'm strong with myself. I'm like I will take from each flower to the goods. Every part of us, every has good in itself. So look at the good. You're married, look at the good for your wife. Not if she's bad. Look at the good, and you're a beautiful wife, a wonderful wife. Hashem shall help. We shall hold yourself strong. And whoever spoke here, forgive me for my English, not so well, but I wish it goes into you, and you have a different life.